Hello everyone, I am Shubham Rao.
Hello everyone, this is Rishabh.
Hello everyone, I'm Priya.
And we are from group 3_3 presenting our prototype and explaining about our idea.
Suppose you order an electronic gadget, say a TV remote online, and you find that it's actually a fake one. Will you buy electronics online ever again? Now, let's suppose there is someone who guides you during your online expenditure. Wouldn't it be great? Let us suppose one more thing. The guide even lets you know about the best products available online as per your budget and needs. Well, icing on the cake, right? So, our team came up with a simple yet needful service called Electromart. This will be an all in one electronic delivery application made for the people who love getting their orders delivered to their doorsteps.
Building such an application on which users can trust with their eyes closed brought, brought a lot of challenges such as privacy concerns, availability of a huge electronic market network, various location factors, and a lot more. But we tried to solve all the challenges by understanding the needs and wants of the users through various surveys.
Like our sole aim is to construct an application that will provide you the experience of buying things offline in an online mode. For example, you visit an offline store. Never stands a person guiding you how to buy different things. This application has an artificial intelligence that would guide you how to buy different things. So this is our basic prototype first page. Yeah, next slide, please. Next. So this is a pop-up coming up explaining how different icons work. So this was a suggestion given in our survey. Next, please. So here comes the main home screen. There was also a suggestion given in the survey, which said that login page should come after the home screen, as people should test the application first before providing their credentials. So you can log in directly clicking on the three dots, going to the profile, and you can log in from here. You can create your account, and now you can simply log in, or you can log in by Google also. So the here comes a basic and the main feature of our application, that is Ask Electrica. You can ask Electrica about different things. Suppose you need to buy a phone, and the range could be 20 to 25K, and you need to buy it for gaming purpose, and the RAM maybe is 8 GB. So it would provide you the best phone available with your given specifications. It will also provide you different buy links which you can directly click, and it will redirect you to different website. So since it's a prototype, so we cannot do anything else here. So you can directly go to the homepage again, and you can search for the different trending things also. What's the deal of the day? That Samsung M51. So you can also click on the mobile. For suppose you need to buy a mobile, you need to buy iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can just simply select the variant, which was also a suggestion in the survey. Websites. Different links are also provided, which would help you to buy the item at the cheapest cost. You can click on the three dots again and explore different things in the menu, and you can directly log out. Yeah, logging out will take away you to the main home screen. So yeah, thank you everyone for listening to us.